Hi, welcome to today's video. I'm Kirsten, and today we're going to talk about a question a lot of new bloggers ask. Do bloggers really get free stuff? Blog sites are full of product reviews, book reviews, descriptions of movies and events that people got into without having to fork over the cost of a ticket. And if you're new to the blogosphere, you may be wondering, how can you get in on this? Do you have to be some superstar blogger with hundreds and thousands of followers in order to get these opportunities? The short answer is no, and one way in which you can be more successful at getting these products and opportunities is by changing your mindset of it being free stuff. If you are blogging in a particular niche and you have an audience in that niche, then your writing is adding value to that area that you write about. Businesses that send products to bloggers are not looking for a way to give out free stuff. They are looking for opportunities to promote those products to their target demographic in a way that will ultimately result in people buying those things or going to those movies or attending those events. In other words, it's a marketing transaction. They provide you with a product, and in exchange, you write a review of that product. So your writing has value, and the product is a form of payment for your services. A key thing for you to know if you are going down this road is who the audience of your blog is. And from there, you figure out what products and services are consumed by that audience. Now, if you want to take part in these kinds of promotions, you have to give people a way to contact you. I strongly recommend that you set up a separate email account that is only used for anything to do with your blog. Don't use your regular personal email address because you will be up to your neck in spam. And yes, the spam will go to your blog email instead, but in among all of the spam, you will see a few gems. As your blog gains traction, you will start to see emails offering review copies of books or samples of products. You will be invited to watch movies and write reviews. You may receive invitations to press events and product demos. And as part of that, you will often receive the product in exchange for a review. Another way to get products to review is by immersing yourself in the blogging community. Join blogger groups, actually read other people's blogs and engage with them. Twitter and Instagram both have great blogging communities, and by increasing your visibility on those platforms, you increase your chances that someone will notice you and your blog and say, hey, that would be a great fit for this book or that product. And finally, attend blogging conferences, whether they are in-person or virtual events. You will benefit from the materials presented and make new contacts, but that is not the only benefit. Conferences have sponsors. Sponsors are looking for exposure. That's why they have chosen to become sponsors. And a lot of sponsors at blogging conferences are open to the idea of exchanging products or services for reviews. In a separate video, I will talk about how to write a good book or product review, but for now, this is really what you need to know in order to get those opportunities. No matter which avenue you pursue, remember that just by posting consistently and putting out regular content, you improve your odds of success a whole lot. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next video.